T cells are a type of lymphocyte mainly responsible for attacking infected cells, cancer cells, and transplanted cells. The quality of T cells is crucial to fighting cancer with precision medicine. Inspired by nature, ITRI developed the manufacturing technology of the world's only biomimetic Knobby magnetic beads, named iKNOBEADS, that are perfectly suited for ex-vivo activation of T cells. The expanded T cells are applied for the T cell therapy, such as chimeric antigen receptor T cell therapy, CAR-T therapy. At present, the commercially available magnetic beads are all spherical in shape. ITRI's magnetic beads have unique knobby morphologies, which can greatly improve interactions with T cells. Resting T cells can be activated efficiently and thus enhance the killing efficacy toward tumor cells. Compared with other magnetic beads products available on the market, trials in Cell Therapy Center have proven that human T cells showed a higher fold expansion with younger subsets using ITRI's novel iKNOBEADS. Furthermore, gamma delta T cell, a rising star in cell immunotherapy, can also be expanded simply by changing the stimulatory ligands on iKNOBEADS. It's the world's first and only magnetic beads product for gamma delta T cell activation and expansion. Our studies reveal that iKNOBEADS offer a more productive and economical platform to generate T cells for immunotherapy and can be potentially applied for other types of immune cells, such as natural killer cells. The GMP-grade iKNOBEADS are expected to be launched in 2020.